What up, players? So, alright, it's been a day. We had a power surge, a sorted stop of power for 14 hours. And it was quite a journey. Let's say it like that. So, yeah, we toughed it out. Today we have power. So, I haven't been painted too much. I had to do too much today to actually paint. I painted a little yellow on this dwarf because I saw all the heroes and they have like blue and green and reddish is represented. So yeah, I wanted to have yellow as well. So you got the whole spectrum. And here also a little red. I put a little yellow on the shield. I'm thinking about making some kind of freehand on it. I have to think a little bit what's going to be there. So yeah, anyways, we're going to throw some dice. Let's go. Number three in hobby, day 22. How is your project going? Do you think you will be able to finish it at the end of the month? It's going to be a close call. So this is the start of week 4, and yeah, we have just 2-3 more days to go. Yeah, I need to bring it, put some hours in. I think I am maybe 8 hours away from finishing the project to a standard where I feel it's okay to pass it on to my you know, it's a commission. I'm painting it for my friend, and yeah, I hope I get satisfied and that he gets satisfied by how they look and stuff like that. I hope so. That's my wish for the whole thing, and hopefully get some good photos and everything like that. And it has been a journey. I am right today. I'm kind of tired. It's been a week that's been very, very unforgiving. It's been a snow blizzard, polar storms here for 4 days. It's been very chilling, and you know, we lost power, and we had to tough it out. And luckily the power went out, so there was no heat for the chickens as well. So that was my main concern. I was not looking forward to open the door and see if, you know, I suspected the chickens would you know, not make it. But everybody just was very perky and very happy to see me, and I had a lot of goodies to them, like dried bread and stuff like that, and I'm very happy to see them still kicking around, very thirsty. So I gave them some water. It was like solid frozen water, so they was very happy that I bring new water to them. And yeah, they made 9 eggs today, so that's a record. So yeah, hey, something good come out of it. So that's the little update for today. Thank you all for watching, and let's try to make this happen and stay awesome. Stay on the project. Let's do it. Almost stay painting challenge February. It's a doozy. Bye now.